And now we start with the scary part of this demonstration. We're dropping the filters onto hard slate. This is the magnetic UV filter. Here we go. And, whoa, look at that. Not a scratch. Now, let's try the graduated neutral density. And again, not a scratch. Okay, here is the circular polarizer. And that's fine. Okay, let's go through the neutral density filters. Here's the 3-stop filter. Ooh. And also, not a scratch. I can also tell you that when we clean these filters, they clean really well. And here is the 6-stop filter. Let's go a little higher. And look at that. Not a scratch. Now we're getting a little more confident. So let's take the 10-stop filter and let's drop it from here. Let's see. Wow. Well, this really is impressive because we have never dropped our filters before, and we are very pleased with this. So there you go.